guys, today we are going to make a 4-cup. First, take a square or sheet and fold it into rectangle.
Please subscribe to get more notifications.
And fold like a square.
And please like.
And remove the squares. And make like this triangles. It's very easy. And turn over. And take this point and attach here.
See carefully. She is putting center of the point. This also. And this. The last one. Here we made half of them.
And now we have to write this.
We can write start.
Now here I should write the numbers.
Creativity starts. What she's writing 1. Here 2.
You can put any number. And uneven.
6. 3. Can we find one number without guessing? 0. Yes, correct. Any number 5? Yes.
And 6 final.
Hey, we already
7,
wrote
sorry.
7.
And remove here. And write anything. Like dog, cat. Here I am going to write dog.
She is writing dog.
Here Barbie.
Who likes Bobby? Give a comment. Who likes pet animals? Give a comment. We can see how many comments are there. Spider. Who likes Spider-Man? Please subscribe and comment. Iron Man. Who like Iron Man and Marvel? Please subscribe the video and like it. Cat. Who like pet animals like cat? Please subscribe the video. Parrot. It is a beautiful bird. Loser? Are you a loser or not? Please comment. Write as lion. I think we made it. Yes, Pragati?
Still we are close.
Okay. Finish. Orange. Pink.
And turn it over and write this.
Blue. And green. Green, go.
Now our forecourt is ready.
We can play now?
Let's check.
Yes, we can
Put
play.
your every hand in the box. And tell any number. Color.
Green.
Green.
5.
Five. 5.
You can find
Iron Man.
yes, I love that.